So I have already created my image with the layer with the white background, and now my foreground is black and my background is white. Select the gradient tool. So my gradient is FG to BG RGB and the shape is linear, and now I'm going to trace my gradient. So for example, I want the halftone dots here to start from here, and I want them to end around here, and now press enter. And now go to filter, distort, and then select newsprint. And now I'm going to change the pattern here from a line to circle. The angle, so you can, for example, change it. So I don't see that much, so I'm going to leave to 75 as the default one. And now for the period, I'm going to increase it. And now the color model. And now for the black color, you can either select black on white. So here's the halftone it's going to create, or white on black. So it's up to you. So I'm going to increase a little bit the period. So I think I'm going to leave it with the black on white. So for the angle, I'm going to leave it to, let's say, 90 degrees. So here it's going to be straight. So I think I'm going to leave it here. I'm just going to reduce a little bit the period. So like this. So here it is. And now I'm going to leave all these settings as they are, and now press OK. And now left click on the FX here, the layer effects, and then click on this icon here to merge all active filters down. And now I'm going to remove the white color to add my own color. So go to colors and then color to alpha. So as you can see, the color we want to remove is already white. So here it is, and now press OK. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. And now I'm going to place it under my black halftone layer. Select the transparent layer, and now let's add the color. So for example, I'm going to add this yellow. So here it is, and now press OK. So here it is. And now for example, if you want to change the color of the black dots here, so if I create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. I'm going to change the foreground color, left click on the foreground. So for example, I will select this red color here. So here's the HTML notation, press OK. I'm going to fill the transparent layer. And now for example, if I want to change the halftone, these black dots here, change the layer on top of it to screen. So left click on the mode and then change it to screen. As you can see, it affected a little bit the background layer. If you want it to affect only the black dots, I'm going to place them on a new layer group. Click on this icon here to create a new layer group, and then place the red layer, this one here, place it inside, just drag it, and then place the halftone background. So here it is. So now for example, if you want to change this one, so for example, I will select the red layer, go to colors, hue and saturation. Now for example, I will change the hue, try to find the best one. So here like this, for example, I can increase saturation, reduce the lightness. So I think I'm going to leave it with this one, and now press OK.